Hey guys, let me be honest with you for a minute. Amazon FBA has problems, okay? And I want to talk with you guys about a couple of them. I've been getting a lot of comments about coronavirus and a couple other problems that we're going to talk about. So I want to tell you about these problems so you know about them. And I also want to tell you what to do so that these problems don't affect you as much, okay? Coronavirus literally shut down China for, I don't know how many days it was, but a bunch of days, weeks. China was literally shut down, and they were shut down for Chinese New Year, which is kind of like a holiday they have, but they shut down for an extended period of time and you couldn't reorder your products, okay? So coronavirus was kind of a big deal in the Amazon FBA community. So I've been getting a bunch of comments, especially from new sellers or people in the Facebook group who are concerned about coronavirus and don't want to start Amazon FBA right now. I understand, I get it. So yes, coronavirus is a problem. Okay, so here's the thing about coronavirus. It's a temporary problem, okay? And there's always going to be temporary problems in your business, in any business you have. I mean, even in life, there's temporary problems. Coronavirus is pretty much, I don't want to say it's over because it's not over, and who knows what could happen in the future. I mean, the world could blow up in the future, okay? But coronavirus isn't really that much of an issue anymore. I am already able to reorder my products from China. So I'm already reordering products, and most of my manufacturers are already telling me that they're already back to work, okay? So don't focus on not starting your business or moving forward to the next level because of coronavirus, because it's a temporary issue and you'll always find a way to have temporary problems that will just prevent you from having the life you want or finding the goals that you want to do in your business. Okay, and here's the next couple problems. So Yahoo Finance released an article and it listed several of the problems with Amazon FBA, okay? And one of them was, or the first one was, 76% of sellers are concerned about Amazon shutting down their account without any reason at all, okay? And the next one was 58% of people said Amazon has made it harder for third-party sellers to compete in their product category. And the third one was 53% of people said Amazon sells its own products that directly compete with their own products, okay? This is a concern, this is a problem, and this is four big problems that prevent a lot of new sellers from starting and a lot of people who are selling from kind of moving on to the next level in their business. So here's the thing about these problems that I'm going to tell you, and I've kind of learned this from many, many years of experience through many businesses, okay? Every single business has problems, no matter what your business is. You could be starting a cupcake shop in your own city, a little local cupcake shop, and you're going to have tons of problems along the way, okay? Life has tons of problems along the way. And even if you're starting up a cupcake shop, you're going to find out that there's badder problems. There's problem with the employees. There's problem with the government. There's regulations. You got to get business permits, blah, 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 right? Okay, so the next problem, people are concerned with Amazon shutting down their account, okay? Now, this is a legitimate concern for new sellers, okay? So Amazon pretty much shuts down every single brand new account when they first start up. It's for ID verification. It used to not be like this a couple years ago, but that's how it is now. So Amazon's going to shut down your account as soon as you sign up. And I feel like this is kind of blown out of proportion. This is what a lot of people are concerned about. And the thing about that is that they go through an ID verification. You have to like show your utility bills, proof of your address, proof of your, identification, who you are. And that's kind of like the account shutdown. Once you get past that, you're over with it, okay? Besides that, I feel like the amount of times people get suspended after their account is already up and running and they're already selling is way less than 1% of the people. Now, yes, you'll hear about them because when it happens, people will make a huge big deal about it, okay? But it does not happen to average everyday sellers all the time who are already up and running. And the last two, people are concerned about Amazon competing with them directly, and people are concerned with that Amazon's made it harder to compete in their product category. Honestly, don't even worry about either of these two. It's not really that big of an issue. Amazon has over like 200 million customers. They have 105 million customers that pay them for Amazon Prime alone. So think about if they're paying them to get Amazon Prime, how often they're shopping on Amazon. Amazon's like the biggest company in the world, or like the second biggest. They kind of go back and forth. You know, honestly, you need to focus on the positives, okay? In that exact same article from Yahoo Finance, Yahoo Finance said that 86% of third-party Amazon sellers are profitable. Let that sink in. 86% of third-party Amazon sellers, people like me and you, are profitable. That is absolutely amazing. This is done by Yahoo Finance and Jungle Scout, okay? So when Yahoo Finance reports something like this, you know it's pretty credible, okay? The next line is 67% are profitable within their first year of selling. That's kind of where the big gap comes from people who aren't profitable. It's always in their first year, okay? And it's always at the beginning, and a lot of people quit in their first year, and the people that don't quit are those 87% of people who end up being profitable going forward on Amazon. 61% of people said their Amazon profits increased during 2019. So imagine you're making more money every year on Amazon. 61% of people said that. You know, you can't really say that at your job. You get your tiny little raise for the year, 50 cents an hour or something. That does not really count, okay? 61% of people are making more money on Amazon this year than they did last year. So that shows you that you don't want to wait to get into Amazon or to launch your next product or increase your business. You want to do it now. And lastly, Yahoo Finance also says that some new sellers are making upwards of $800,000 a year in profit, okay? You just don't have that type of opportunity in very many other places in life. You surely don't have that at a 9-to-5 job, okay? So now is definitely the time to start your Amazon business or take it to the next level, because they literally just have so many customers, and you're one product away from making that happen. If you guys like this video, make sure you like it and leave a comment down below. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm, showing my videos a little bit more. And if you're new here, make sure you subscribe and click the bell icon. I'll link another video up here for you, and on the other side, I'll link my Amazon FBA free training. If you haven't taken that yet, make sure you do. And if you have any questions, ask me down below, and I will see you in the next video.